Hi guys, I'm back. So today, Beanie will release their Blink Twice dance and live vocal practice. So, oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Blooms are waiting for this. So here we go. Let's wait for more 30 seconds. Let's go. Excited ang lahat. Blooms kasi, sabi nyo, nawawala ang Beanie. Sabi nyo, namimiss nyo na sila. Ayan, nag-drop tuloy ng Blink Twice practice. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, let's go! Oh my gosh.
3, 2, 1, and...
Let's go, Saku! I heard you like confidence. Wait!
Huwag kayo mag-distract.
Akala ko seryoso na yun. Biglang nagtawanan. Hina. Ayan, ayan, ayan.
Huwag ka lang kung kay Gina.
Nauna yung bloopers. Hey. What happened? Okay ka lang? Okay. Okay. Nauna yung bloopers. O, ito seryoso na ata. Let's go. Hey! Ang angas. Aya! Kanino yung butterfly top na yan? Maloy! My gosh. Let's go, Master Joe. Oh my gosh, kulit. Mikalim! Go, Ben! Let's go! Grabe yung jersey. Nick Gwen. Grabe naman kulit. Oh my gosh. Yung kending-kending ni Aya. If you really like me. Then you're gonna roll the ice. My gosh! Ang OA ko. Hala! Ang ganda nun. The formation. Hey! What? My gosh! I love that. Walang kupas ang Beanie natin. So, that's it for tonight. Ang OA ni ate mo, girl, kasi kilig na kilig siya. Whew! Oh my gosh, thank you for dropping that, Beanie, kasi sobrang miss na kayo ng Blooms. Talagang hinahunting kayo. Kaya naman, grabe kayo magpa-miss. Napapabasa ako ng AU hanggang ngayon. masakit pa rin yung adobo. Hoy, bakit napunta tayo sa AU? So, ayun na nga. Thank you so much for watching, Blooms. See you on my next reaction video. Hey!